SHPH stock analysis and SHPH stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. And I'm the only guy that's actually done 42,000 videos and documented them all. I mean, 42. It's taken me 5 years. It's all documented, and all that to say is just at the lowest low here. Right? So what I'm going to do is get rid of the previous ones. Yeah, this is the top of the range here. And if the price doesn't sort of, I mean, it's not that bad, man, really. But unless there's a big catalyst or a big full-on candle close above 24 cents, that I'm not willing to take it further down. So yeah, that's where we're sitting at. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, sure, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. That's also for you if you do want to learn, you know, if you want to stay tuned with SHPH. Other than that, it's all noise, really. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.